Well, you probably can't tell because the camera makes it look lighter than it is, but if you see all my lights that come on and off with the dusk to dawn, they're on, so it's still pretty dark. But I gotta head on over to Home Depot right now, try to beat the rain, and get back here with my plywood so I can do that bench. And I'm bringing my second cup of coffee. I don't even have time to drink it. Let's go. Hurry, hurry. I'm gonna double that up and it's gonna work just fine. Come on. I'm trying to beat the rain. Hurry, hurry. Oh yeah, we made it. I got just the slightest hint of drizzle on my windshield. And in 2 seconds, I'm gonna be peeing, taking my breathing treatment, and drinking cups number 3 and 4. And but I'm gonna get this up in my shop first. Okay, I gotta go take my breathing treatment and drink another cup of coffee. And then let's see if I can get my wife down here. I gotta cut it at exactly 2 feet and then double it up and then screw it down. We'll be back. You almost sent me on my butt. Okay. I gotta I gotta screw the top down really good since it's 2 layers. And then I'm going to cut out my little notches where the buffers are gonna go. Okay. Oh, okay. Now do you see what the rock is cooking? Let me go get, I'm gonna pick a few things up and then I'm gonna go get my buffers and bring them in here. Okay, I gotta bolt them down. I just got them set there. And then behind each machine, I'm gonna drill a hole down through the tabletop and feed the cords behind there. That way there's no chance of these cords getting hung up in the buffers, because if it's ever at any time happened to anybody, it will happen to me. So, I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee and start drilling my holes and running my carriage bolts down through there. And then I gotta go out to my shop and get a hole cutter, cutting saw. Probably about 1.25 inches, just big enough to feed them plugs through. Alrighty, almost done. Another, couple hours and I'll have everything done, including cleanup. There we go. All bolted down. And let's turn one on and see how it has affected the vibrations in the room. I'll turn this one on because this one would make the entire room vibrate. All right, you ready for some coffee? Let's sit. Come on. All right, one job done. I will drink I never did get my coffee. That's the coffee. I'm fixing to drink it and admire my handiwork, and then go get that knife and go to buffing. That ironwood, desert ironwood. Oh yeah, before I forget, it's not, the bench and all that's done and I can use this, but the next project, and I couldn't buy all this at once, I'm into this about the bench, including the plywood, probably right at $100, which is not terrible. So next Google check, I will buy my lights and mount them above the buffers. And I'll tell you what I realized, there's an outlet just on the other side of this little shelf, and that outlet is connected to these lights. Because when I keyed up my circular saw, those lights dimmed. And those sockets that the buffers are plugged into, they must be on their own circuit, because they got plenty of juice. It doesn't affect these at all, this light. So that's good to know. Anyway, that's the next project, is putting lights up there. Probably another month. Okay, coffee drinking now. Okay, this is really the end of the video, I swear. This is the desert ironwood that, let me get the light on it, that I just put on the buffer. Golly, I love this stuff. Very, very hard to work with, really expensive, but that is all I've done to it, is buff it. I sanded it up to 800 and I put it on the buffer. Beautiful wood. And this has got my fingerprints all over it, but that is satin finish. Okay, I'm going to, the Caddo, the blued Caddo is done, so now I got to make a couple of sheaths. I don't know if I mentioned, I may not have mentioned, I'm working on a Swamp Rat, and I'm going to blue this, I'm going to polish it, high polish, and then I'm going to blue it. No, but this is not spoken for. And I'm using walnut handles with G10, black G10 liners. Okay, let me get to work. I just got some wood in. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I don't know if that's a T sound or a TH sound. Anyway, it's burl. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I think I'll have to have this stabilized. It's not stabilized. It's just raw wood. But boy, is that gonna be beautiful. Oh. That was the angels singing.